Here at Car Care Kiosk, we've been working on a BMW 750 Li, and we thought we'd give you a preview of a few of the repairs from this vehicle. First up, let's see how to change the cabin air filter. Reach under the glove box to begin. Reach over here and take off this T20 Torx bolt. There are 2 more T20s to take off underneath the panel. Pry the panel down and disconnect it. Then, reach in for the cover. There are 4 T20 Torx bolts to remove from this cover. Once they are removed, pry the cover down. You can pull out your cabin air filter. Slide the filters down to remove them. Next, let's take a look at how to put the front wiper blade into the service position.
Turn the vehicle to the accessory position, then turn the vehicle off and hold up on the wiper stalk until the blades go up into the service position.
Finally, let's see how to change the reverse light on this vehicle. Open the trunk to begin. Reach up here and remove 4 fasteners from the lining. Unscrew the Phillips head screw and pry it out. Then, pull the lining down to reach the bulb assembly. Reach up here for the bulb assembly, pull it out. Here's your bulb. You can pull it straight out to remove it. If you want more car repair videos just like this, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe from this channel. And for even more repair videos, please visit carcarekiosk.com.